In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy crypto on Ramp Network. Now to do this, first you want to go to their official website, or of course you could do this in the app as well. And then from here, you want to go to buy up top, hover over it and select any of these assets over here, or you could just click on explore all, and it's going to give you all the cryptos you can actually buy on their platform, okay? So in my case over here, I'm just going to hit this buy crypto button, and it's going to take me to a separate page. Now on this page, you're going to have to select what you want to purchase and how much of it. So you have to go to the buy tab to actually be able to buy your crypto. And then here you want to select what you're paying with. So in this instance, I'm actually going to go for euros. You can do whichever currency you want. And I'm going to go for 100 euros. Then down here, you want to select the crypto you want to purchase. So I'm going to go and click on here, and I'm actually going to buy some Solana right now. So there we go. It's going to show you how much Solana you're going to get for this amount of your euro or dollar or whatever worth. And you can of course change this as well. So if you want to do Solana, it's automatically going to calculate how much you're going to have to pay, okay? But let's now stick with 100 euros to actually simplify everything. From here, you want to click on this continue button. And when you do this here, you basically are going to have to sign in for the first time you do this. So it's going to ask you essentially for your login. You're going to have to type in your email or sign in with something like Google account, super simple. Then it's going to ask you for your residence. You can type in your country and something about your tax info, okay? So it takes less than a minute. Finish that up and then you'll see this screen. From here, you want to type in the wallet address where you want to receive your crypto. In my case, it's Solana, so I'm going to have to get a wallet which supports Solana. Now, I'm sure if you're trying to buy this, you already do have a wallet. There's a bunch of different ones that exist. I'm actually just going to go with the MetaMask wallet over here, which I do think a lot of people know about. I'm going to switch the network over here to Solana, so let me actually find it. There we go. And then you want to click on your Solana token wherever you find it. So I have it over here. I'm going to click on it. And then from here, you want to click on receive. So you want to get the receiving address for your Solana or whatever coin you are purchasing. So as you can see, there's a bunch of different ones. I'm going to copy the receiving address because they're going to be sending to your receiving address, of course. Copy this and then go to in here and you want to go and type in your address and make sure you double check it's actually correct and click on add wallet. Whenever you've done this, you want to confirm it's actually yours, hit add wallet again, and there we go. That's all you have to do. Then you have to select how you want to pay here. So it could be a debit or credit card or any other method if it's available in your country. And when you're ready, you can see all the fees and stuff like that. And then just click on continue down here at the bottom. And you're going to have to perform a verification. So this is going to be an ID check. Maybe not every country is going to have this, but I do think most countries do. So just click on continue. And from here, you're going to have to do a KYC. So click on continue. And then here, you're going to have to basically put in the pictures of your ID document. You're going to have to select your country, the document type, and of course, you can then click continue. So in my case, if I go and select UK over here, there we go. And I'm going to pick the ID card and click continue. It's going to allow me to continue and of course take pictures of my ID cards and upload them in here. Or what you could also do is continue on your phone so you can take pictures directly, which sometimes is going to be the easier way to do this, okay? Whenever you've done this, you're going to get your account KYC'd and verified, and you'll be able to continue over here by pressing this continue button, putting in your card details or whatever payment method you chose. And then when you do this, you're going to hit the buy button and you will receive your Solana onto your wallet in just a few minutes. Usually it's very quick, okay? Or of course, any other crypto as well. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.